Hi and welcome to episode number 608 with whatsforchow.com. In today's episode we're going to pickle and cure eisbein using the injection process. This process is much quicker and more efficient than the immersion process, where eisbein are submerged in the pickling brine for up to 72 hours. The injection technique only takes 24 hours to cure and is much more economical on ingredients. To start, measure out 70 grams Prague powder, 140 grams Himalayan rock salt, 70 grams sugar, 5 ml coriander seed, 15 ml black peppercorns, 3 allspice or pimento berries, and 3 bay leaves. Place the salt, sugar and spices in a medium-sized pot and add 2 liters of water. Adding boiling water saves time in the next step. Heat the pot over medium-high heat until boiling. Reduce the heat to a simmer and allow this to simmer for 15 minutes. In the meantime, sterilize your basting syringe and put this aside. After 15 minutes of simmering, remove the pot of brine from the heat and quick chill the brine by floating the pot in a sink of cold water. Once the brine is cooled to room temperature, add the Prague powder and stir this until completely dissolved. Strain the brine through a sieve into a clean container. Draw some brine into the syringe and proceed to inject this into the ends of the eisbein. Fully insert the needle into the center of each muscle. Start depressing the plunger while simultaneously withdrawing the needle from the meat. You will need to inject 5 times on the fat side of the eisbein and twice on the thin side. Each eisbein will need about 100 milliliters of brine, making this recipe sufficient to pickle 20 units. Cover the eisbeins loosely with cling wrap and place them in your refrigerator for a full 24 hours. After 24 hours, the meat is fully pickled and ready to cook or freeze for later use. It will be the trademark deep rosy red color with a unique and slightly translucent appearance. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again on Wednesday.